Urea is the most important nitrogenous fertilizer in the country because of its high N content, 46% N. Besides its use in the crops, it is used a cattle feed supplement to replace a part of protein requirements. In today's video, we know about that urea fertilizer, how does it works for our plants, but first we should discuss about that how to apply urea fertilizer for our plants. Urea fertilizer is a stable organic fertilizer that can improve the quality of your soil, provide nitrogen to your plants and increase the yield of your crops. You can usually get it in dry granule form. As you can see, you can usually get it in dry. There are several benefits to using urea as a fertilizer, but urea is not without its disadvantages. Knowing how to properly apply urea fertilizer to your soil and how urea interacts with other fertilizers can help you avoid these disadvantages and get as much benefit out of your fertilizer as possible. 5 things you must know about using urea fertilizers. And the first one is urea has not always been the primary source of nitrogen to crops. Urea was first synthesized by the German chemist Friedrich before the time. Other chemical compounds have been used as popular fertilizers over the last century. Ammonium nitrate is one such compound and has an NPK rating of 30:0. 90% of synthetic urea produced now is for fertilizers. And the second one is impurities and improper use of urea fertilizers can damage plants. A common impurity is urea fertilizers is biorate, which can be broken down in soil but does so over a long period of time and is psychotic during the process. As with any source of nitrogen, urea itself can damage plants. Nitrogen impairs or completely impedes seed germination, and too much nitrogen can give crops a burn. Urea fertilizers impact soil pH. During the nitrification process, there are increases in the number of free hydrogen in the soil, which creates acidity. Additionally, when plants take up ammonium ions, they also release hydrogen ions and the soil. Thus, care must be taken to neutralize excess acidity by using compounds like effective calcium carbonate. Friends, most important thing is before urea is turned into the nitrates, your plants need it first becomes ammonia gas because gases can easily escape from the surface of the soil. Applying fertilizer when the ground is wet will help to incorporate the urea into the soil before the chemical reaction begins. The way more of the ammonia is trapped within the soil. Urea is an organic chemical compound produced when the liver breaks down protein and ammonia. Half the urea in your body remains in your blood stream, while the other half is mostly excreted through the kidneys as urine. A smaller amount is excreted through sweat. What is urea? It is the largest component of modern commercial fertilizer. Urea fertilizer has nearly replaced ammonium nitrate as a fertilizer in large farming operations. Although this urea is artificially produced, its composition is the same as the produced by the body. Manufactured urea fertilizer can therefore be considered an organic fertilizer. It is contains large amount of nitrogen, which is essential for healthy plant growth. The same chemical compound that is industrially produced is manufactured by the human body. While the urea fertilizer should be incorporated into the soil as quickly as possible to avoid the loss of the resulting gases. Water the area lightly either before or after application. Urea can also be used as a spray with a dilution of 20 parts water to 1 part urea. Urea can be used as a fertilizer, and it is a very helpful nitrogenous fertilizer for our plant. Friends, if you like this piece of information about urea, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.